In this video we're going to have a look at how to create box and whisker plots. So you can see here I've got some univariate data which measures the age of a first-time mother in 1970, 1990, 2010, and then also a father, the father, so 1970, 1990, 2010. Okay, I want all of that data, be able to compare that with 6 box plots all on the one chart. So to do that, basically I'm going to highlight my data, press and hold Control, and then highlight the father data, go Insert, and then I want to find this one here, Insert Statistic Chart, and I'm looking for box and whisker. Okay, and there's my graph done there. I'm just going to click that screen away, and now we can go and basically change our chart title. We can we should be able to format our, oh that's right, sorry, we need to go Design, Add Chart Element, Axis Title. So we can do that there, add our axis title there, and legend. There we go, we can add in the legend as well down the bottom. Okay, so we click on that, our legend will appear. So that's how you make a box and whisker plot in Microsoft Excel.